Hi everybody, my name is Peggy, aka Peggy Peg. So on today's video I'm just gonna show you how I do my braids and my braid outs to have like a curly, wavy, big fro. Not a big fro, I am exaggerating here, but like big hair, type of hair. And when I do this hairstyle, everybody always asks me, is your hair natural? No, I'm not. I'm relaxed, but my hair seems like so big that it actually looks like I blow dried it and did a braid out if I was natural. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'm just like separating my hair into two. It doesn't have to be like a straight line, especially don't make a straight line, because when you remove your braids you're gonna see like all the lines in the middle and that's not cute. So I'm just gonna separate my hair here. And then I'm gonna use some water and spray that on this half of my hair. Not too much, I just want my hair to be like, to just have a little bit of water in it. And I'm gonna use my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray that a little bit everywhere also. Then I'm gonna detangle a little bit. And I'm gonna braid. I am not the best braider in town, so sorry about that. I just do my best, but yeah. Yeah, so just like that. I know I braid like the other way, like outwards instead of inwards. I just don't know how to braid the other way, so that's how I am braiding. If you don't know how to braid, well, I know there is like tons of videos on YouTube to show you how, so you can click on that because I'm not a pro. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So spraying some water first. Then using my leave-in conditioner. Detangle a bit. Okay people, so I am back. I'm here to show you the results of my braid outs. So I spent all night long with my braids, so I'm just going to remove my little elastic band and start remove my braids. Two sides done. So as you can see, the curls, well, the wavy pattern is very defined. That's not the look that I'm going for, so I'm just gonna take my comb and comb it out. The look that I'm going for is like, you know, the big blown out natural hair. That's the look that I'm going for, so I'm just gonna have to make it a little bit messier, the curls not as defined. See, when I have this hairstyle, that's why everybody asks me, is your hair natural? No, it's not. It's relaxed. But yes, I'm just continuing to make my hair as big as I can by by removing all the fineness of the curls. But I think I want to keep it like that. So all I'm gonna do tonight to preserve my curls, my frizziness, my big hair, I'm just gonna do a pineapple on top of my head. I'm gonna show you how. It's my pineapple. So all I'm gonna do after that is just gonna put my satin scarf on top and sleep like that. Then tomorrow morning I'm just gonna have to remove my elastic and fluff my hair a little bit, and it's gonna look like that all over again. So yeah guys, that's it for my tutorial on my blonde wannabe natural hair, so without heat. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.